Hello, so I did a little video earlier about the same box, but the quality is really bad because I used a really old phone of mine and I did it, I was just bored and I thought, why not? I just bought that. And I was at Sephora and I was curious about that box and I was thinking, you know what, I'm probably not the only one curious about that, so I might as well just do a little video for you people out there that are kind of curious about what's in there. I mean, obviously there's a picture outside what's actually in there, but I was thinking like, how big is actually the powder? Which I mean, and I also know when you turn around there's a description of what's actually in here. Full size Better Than Sex mascara and full size Peach Perfect modifying loose setting powder, blah blah blah. Anyway, as I said, all I'm gonna do is show you what's actually in there, which is ta-da right here. So that's the full size Peach Perfect powder. That's the reason I actually bought that bad boy. I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna try it out tomorrow. It's too late now. Then it also comes with the mattifying setting spray, which is mini size, and it says "Shake Me Baby" in the back cap. It's pretty cute. The next thing is the Cooling Matte Skin Perfection Primer. I've been also using that for a while. Love it. And the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've also been using that for a while and got nothing but good things to say about that. So yeah, there it is. And now you know what's in that cute little box. Have fun.